Hi. Hello? You didn't reboot it?
What?
You didn't. Oh my god.
Wait, that's scratch?
Yeah.
No, the audio's on.
Wait, what?
What up, you guys? Is everything in the house?
And hey, Jessica here.
Wait, keep it down there.
No, because it's harder.
But we just need, okay, now we can read to you guys what all this stuff says.
Okay, so, I was doing my, neat and not neat, and then it says, if you're subscribed, by the way, if you're a girl, if you're a boy, you need to comment, because girls like it.
Okay,
Who you want to be?
this is my side. I said that we love you guys. That's what it said there. It said
I do
in
too.
the house. I got, it said here in the studio. And I'm just about to write a question. So, I have, guess. So, guess. I have,
We get a 3 answer question.
a cat, a
You already
dog,
said that you like cats, and you already said that you like dogs. And you also had fish. Sorry.
or a bunny. Or a bunny. So I know you guys can read that.
Well, I know.
So I'm gonna circle the right answer. So just comment down what you think, and then comment if you got right.
Okay, my turn.
The answer is a cat. I have a cat.
Okay.
Actually, two.
Do I have, okay, my, by the way, I'm awful writing. Sport, I know. I have 2 main sports. Okay, there they are. Swimming, baseball. Gymnastics. Oh, I just gave it away. Anyway, oh, I know. Squash. And just for fun. Okay, whichever one. Oh, okay. You can't see them.
It's okay. Just say it.
Okay, swimming, baseball, basketball, squash, and soccer. Which one do you think I play? Post in the comments what you think. Right. Hashtag Tay-Tay's fave sport and hashtag enemies.
I have more than one, so just do hashtag.
Hashtag cats. The right answer is I like 2 sports and I will name them. It is basketball.
Basketball is your
Because I'm
favorite.
tall. And soccer. Because I like kicking people in the face.
Okay, here. Now, this is.
I only have 2
I
trivias.
have one brother, no brothers, or 2 brothers.
And say if you also have a sister, because, your sisters are pretty easy.
Or
1 sister, 2 sisters, or no sisters.
1, yeah. 6,
Oh, I just got. Oh, I did.
2,
I just got a.
4. Okay, so 1 brother, 2 brothers, no brothers. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The answer is I have 1 brother.
Died.
And for this, I have 1 sister, 2 sisters, or no sisters. 5, 4, 3,
A hamster!
that was 1. Answer is I have real sisters, unfortunately, but I'm also happy because me and my brother are pretty happy.
Okay,
Now focus on Taylor.
that died. Okay. This is our last one, by the way.
Yeah.
I got a recent new pet, and I will tell you what it is.
But you have to guess.
Yeah, but you have to guess. The guesses are a fish, a bunny, a worm that died, a bee that died, a hamster that died, a mini toad that died, or I lost, maybe. Comment below. Tell me what you think that I lost. Whatever, 10. The answer is a mini toad. Okay, can you give me the?
Gosh, I remember that.
Yeah, I know, right?
We got it.
Yeah. I actually got a mini toad.
Same. They were like this big. They were adorable.
And they were so cute. Remember Bob?
Yeah, and
then we brought him home.
in the class. Okay.
Wait, where is he? Catch us next time for Draw My Life.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do that.
Yeah, we're probably gonna do that. Though we suck at drawing, so okay.
Don't judge me. Hang on with my ankle.
Show your butt.
Yeah.
Hey, what? You're a weirdo.
Just kidding, calm down.
Okay. Oh no, it's working. Erase all of it.
Oh.
He's saying he's not.
Don't erase CJ channel.
Don't. Oh, well, sorry. Since we're gonna be doing erase, and I'm sorry that we have awful video schedules because we're like always like doing stuff.
We have
Competitive basketball,
and I do competitive dance.
and I play soccer, and just life is sad. So life is
We
sad.
have freaking school. Like who?
We're in school. Who cares about freaking algebra? It's just like y plus 9 equals bracket 4 plus 9 equals 5x 3 equals. Okay, what does that equal?
I'm gonna do.
Oh, or the stupid bed thingy, the bed mass. We didn't even learn exponents, did we? It's kind of just like 1 plus 9 plus 3.
That's a 9.
Yeah. 1 plus 1 plus 12 equals 13. Okay, I just gave it away.
7
And then you do like times and
minus.
Oh my goodness.
X.
Okay, everyone went black.
What the hell?
I think we're wasting our time.
Wait, equals. Okay, guys, figure this out. How much? 7 times
8 times 7.
minus 8. So
No, x. No, we don't.
minus
You just
x.
put an answer there.
I know equals. No, what? Equals 52. What's the answer? If you get it right, you will be entered into our next giveaway.
I
For
know.
sure. Shut up.
Alright, the answer is. Oh wait, I have a really good one. 3 plus. Okay, I just gave it away. Okay, it's gonna be 3 plus x minus 1 equals 12. This is a really easy question. Come on, guys. 3, and you'll be answered in our next giveaway. I'm an easy teacher. Okay, bye. Okay, let's do draw our life.